everyone is wishing Happy New Year, Happy Prosperous Year, Happy Blessed Prosperous New Year. But here is a question, how to logically make the new year happy and prosperous? A very, very important thing. Let's ask a formula to make this new year, our new year, happy and prosperous from our life manual, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The last shloka of Gita, 18th chapter, shloka number 78, it is said, Yatra Yogeshwaraha Krishna, wherever there is Krishna, the master of all mystics. Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha, wherever there is Arjun, the supreme archer. Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhoter Paneter Mater Mama. Tatra, in that place, there will be 4 auspicious things. First, Tatra Shri, opulence. Vijaya, victory. Bhutir, that is extraordinary power. And Niti, morality. So, this year, if we can invite Krishna and Arjun in our life, automatically the new year is going to be happy and prosperous. So how to invite Krishna and Arjun? Inviting Krishna, Lord Shri Krishna, to our lives in this new year. Very simple. Every single day practically, we should chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Krishna is not different from his holy name. And we have Krishna in our life this year. And how to invite Arjun? All of us, we have Duryodhan and we have Arjun within. So let's empower Arjun this new year by studying at least one shloka of Gita, and trying to implement whatever we can from that shloka. And that Arjun will become powerful. So we have Arjun in our life. So in this way, wherever there is Krishna and wherever there is Arjun, automatically that new year has to become happy and prosperous. So wish you all a new year blessed with opulence, victory, extraordinary power and morality. By the way, one important life transforming seva for everyone. Find out at least a person who does not have a Bhagavad Gita, and on 1st of January, gift him or transform his life by gifting this life transforming, miraculous, wonderful life manual for the entire humanity. That is Bhagavad Gita. Hare Krishna.